Good afternoon. It is Monday, June 1st, and we are back with another lesson that is a take on what animal am I? I read the story last week, and today's lesson will be a take on that. We're going to do scrambled sentences, which is lesson number 12 in the unique learning system. But let's get started with putting up our new calendar for the month. Here we have June. In Spanish, junio, and we put up our first number for the month. It is Monday, June 1st. And now we are going to go over and do our sentence strips. We have up here, yesterday was Sunday. Today is Monday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. The day after tomorrow will be Wednesday. And then we have the month. Let's see if you can see that. The month is June. Can you see June? It's way down there. And then we have the weather, and it's hot. It's going to get even hotter the next couple of days. We don't have the next holiday up, but it would be July. Those I don't have up here with me. So let's get started with our scrambled sentences in lesson 12 of Unique Learning System. And normally we scramble all these, we have the students cut them out, and then you take each sentence and we label it with a different color and put the numbers, and the students have to take them and put them in order. So like sentence number 1 has red, and they have a number on each one. So this is number 1. I have. Jude, number 3, big, and then 4, ears. So that gives us our first clue as to the animal. I have big ears. Number 2, let's see, it has blue, like the first one had red. And okay, so now let's do number 2. Blue. I have, word number 3, a long trunk. Let's get the last word up there. So this is, you can see the numbers representing each word, so that after they cut them, they put them in order, and then they put them on a sentence strip. Let's go a little bit backwards so you can see the complete sentence. And the last sentence is number 1. Who? Let's see, number 2. Do I? Word number 3. Number 4. Look like so. The first one again was I have big ears. Let's make sure you can see the last one. I'm going to lower the phone a little bit. There we go. I have big ears. I have a long trunk. Who do I look like? So, if we think about it, I think the hint was given in number 2 because it talked about the long trunk. It is talking about, let's see, this animal, an elephant. So then the students would take these, glue them on a sentence strip, and then copy the sentences into their journal, and then draw a picture to go with the sentence so that they could be able to put a picture to what they just read what they just wrote and re-emphasize everything. So now we're going to go into number 4. That was 1, 2, and 3. We have a total of 6 sentences. Let's take these out. So we know that one is elephant. Number 4. Let's see what we get with number 4. Okay, put these up. Oh, look, number 4. Now that you get the idea of how it goes, we shall put this one up here. 1. Oh, here's 2. Here's 3. And number 4. Let's see here. Number 4. Mama Duck waited and waited. So, now we know this one's going to have information about a duck. So let's do the next one. Here, sometimes they mix things up and put or forget a word. So that's 2 and 3. Here comes 4. Let's see if you guys notice that I forgot to put number 1. And that's okay because I found it at the end. And I can put it here. Okay. It says, finally, the last egg hatched. Now, that is not the last sentence. It might sound like that it's the last sentence, but it's not. Finally, the last egg hatched. So it was just saying, finally, the last egg hatched. That's what they were waiting for. So now, let's put the last one up. And it goes like this. We have number 1, number 4, and almost running out of things to put. Here, let's put some more magnets. So we have number 3, we have number 2, and we have number 5. And they say, yes, this is my baby. So, let's see if you can read that. All right. Mama Duck waited and waited. Finally, the last egg hatched. Yes, this is my baby. So now take all the sentences you had today, put them in a journal after you've had them on a sentence strip, and then draw some pictures so you can remember what you learned today. It's a continuation from the last story we read,